Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Sanika and today we are going to speak about a very important topic from class 11th, that is digestion and absorption. Let's understand what do you mean by digestion. Whenever we eat food, be it roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, these all contain nutrients and these nutrients are complex in nature, which cannot be utilized as they are by our body. So, by the process of digestion, what happens is these complex nutrients are broken down into simpler ones which can be absorbed by our body and utilized. So, now let's define this process. Digestion is defined as a process which converts complex substances into simpler absorbable form. Okay, now let's understand further about the steps or the processes that are involved in digestion. There are 4 processes which are involved, namely ingestion, digestion, absorption and egestion. What do you mean by ingestion? The first process, जब हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, ओके, आपने पानी पूरी खाया या आपने सब्जी रोटी का एक निवाला खाया, आप लोगों ने क्या किया? You took the food in. So the intake of food or the intake of nutrients is called as ingestion. Now as soon as we eat, what happens is our teeth will start crushing the food and convert it into smaller particles. So in the process of digestion, first there is a mechanical breakdown of food particles and this takes place with the help of our teeth. Along with that, there are various digestive enzymes that are synthesized which bring about the conversion of complex substances into simpler ones. So in the process of digestion, there is mechanical as well as chemical breakdown of food particles. The third step is absorption. Once the chemical digestion has taken place, the simpler substances that are formed now will be absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and they will be circulated in our body with the help of blood or lymph. The fourth process is egestion. जो कुछ भी खाना हम लोग खाते हैं सारा का सारा डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता. Some of it remains undigested. And this undigested food needs to be removed from our body. So via the process of egestion, the undigested food in the form of fecal matter is removed from our body. So in the process of digestion has 4 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption and egestion. Now let's move forward. The human digestive system. The human digestive system has 2 parts, the alimentary canal and the accessory glands. Now, what do you mean by alimentary canal? It is a long muscular tube which starts at the mouth and it ends at the anus. So, the alimentary canal starts through the mouth, then forms esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and it ends by the anus. Next, the digestive accessory glands. These glands are going to synthesize digestive enzymes and these digestive enzymes are going to bring about the chemical digestion or the chemical breakdown of the nutrients. Let's know what their names are. The first, the salivary gland. The salivary gland which is present over here, alright, in the mouth region. Next is the liver, followed by the pancreas. Also in the stomach, the inner lining of the stomach has certain glands which are called as the gastric glands, which also synthesize certain hormones, certain enzymes which will bring about the digestion. So let's recap. There are 2 parts of the digestive system, the alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Alimentary canal is a muscular tube which will start at the mouth and at the anus. There are, now speaking about the digestive glands. Digestive glands are going to synthesize certain digestive enzymes. These glands are the salivary gland, liver, pancreas, gastric gland. Also, there are certain glands which are present in the intestine as well. Now, let's understand about the different organs of their digestive system one by one. First, speaking about the mouth. The mouth is guarded by the lips. Alright, so inside the mouth, the cavity which is present is known as the buccal cavity. And in this buccal cavity, we are having the teeth, which brings about the mechanical breakdown of food. Along with that, in the cheek region over here and here, we are having our salivary glands, which are going to secrete saliva. This saliva, when it mixes with the food, it will make it soft and moist. Along with that, this saliva contains enzymes which bring about digestion of carbohydrates. So that's it currently for the mouth. We will be studying about all of these organs in detail further. Next is the esophagus. Esophagus transports the food once we have swallowed it from the mouth till the stomach. And the process via which it transfers is called as peristalsis. Peristalsis is rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscles of the esophagus through which the food gets transported. The next organ is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organ, and in the stomach what happens is the food gets further digested both mechanically as well as chemically. What happens is the stomach is a sac which keeps on churning, okay, and crushing the food further, and at the same time the gastric glands that are present in the stomach will be releasing digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes initiate the digestion of proteins. The food that we eat is temporarily stored in the stomach till the time it is properly mechanically as well as chemically digested. Further, the next organ is the small intestine. Small intestine is a site where complete digestion of complex substances takes place. Now, all the complex substances that we have consumed will be converted into simpler absorbable form. And in the small intestine itself, these will be absorbed. And with the help of blood and lymph, will be transported in our body. Next is the large intestine. Large intestine is responsible for absorption of water and minerals. And all the undigested material is temporarily stored in the rectum till the time it can be removed from our body via the process of defecation through the anus. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have understood. Thank you.